Hello, welcome to the exciting world of Arduino. We will start our journey with Arduino Uno board. Here you can see that we have a Arduino Uno board, and this board is made up with the Atmel Atmega 328P microcontroller. So this is the microcontroller that we are using in the Arduino Uno board, and at this right hand side we have the digital pin that can be used as an input output, and we have a pin number from 0 to 13. So there are 14 digital pin that we can use as a input or output. Similarly, at left hand side we have the 6 analog pin starting from A0 to A5, and here you can connect the analog sensors or any kind of analog input to this microcontroller. Similarly, at digital input output you can connect the digital input as well as you can take the digital output. For power supply, here we have the DC voltage source from the Arduino, that is 3.3 volt and 5 volt, and it has a two ground pin also. Apart from all this, it is working with this crystal, and to give power supply to the Arduino you can use this pin as well as you can use the USB also. This is the reset button that you can use to reset the controller. So as we progress, I will tell you much more detail about this Arduino board. In this video, I will give you a simply idea about how to use this Arduino board to control the LED, or how we can use this digital input output pin. So to demonstrate how to use this Arduino board, I am going to connect or interface this Arduino board with the LED. So to interface with the LED, I am going to use one breadboard, and I have this LED. If you don't know about the LED and how to identify the terminal of LED, you can watch my video on the LED. So here at the left hand side we have anode, and right hand side we have a cathode. So I am placing a LED over here, and to protect this LED I am going to use a one current limiting resistor in series with the LED. So this is the connection for the LED. Now we will provide a ground from this Arduino to the cathode of the LED, just like this. And then let's say we are going to control this LED from digital pin 8 from the Arduino. So that will be connected to the anode terminal. So this is how you can interface the LED or any other device to the Arduino. Next, I will show you how to program this Arduino board with the help of Arduino IDE. Now, to program the Arduino board, you just need to go to the Arduino website to download the software that is required for Arduino. The link for this website is given in the description box, and just go to this download section in this website. So here you can see that you can code online as well as you can download this Arduino IDE from this link. If you are a Windows user, you can use this link. If you are a Mac OS user, you can use this link, as well as similarly for the Linux. So you need to click on this link. Then if you want to contribute for the Arduino, then you can do it, or otherwise just click on just download. So it will be ready, and then you can install the Arduino in your system. So once you will install the Arduino, you will have this kind of icon. So just double click on it and open it. So now you can see that it will be look like this. So once you install your Arduino IDE, then before programming or just after programming, to upload your code into the Arduino board, you need to connect this Arduino board with the to your PC or the laptop with the help of this kind of cable. So I'm connecting this Arduino board to my laptop with the help of this cable. And right now you can see that initially the pin is high, so therefore this LED is continuously on. Now we will program this board in such a way that this LED will be turned on for the 1 second and it will be turned off for the another 1 second. So let's go back to the programming site Arduino IDE and let's program it. So now to program the Arduino board, you can write your code over here. To in void setup, we will define the pin 8. For that, I'm going to use a pin mode. This pin mode is having a syntax of pin number, comma. You can define that whether the pin is output pin or the input pin. So here our LED is the output device. So I will write it as an output, and that's how you can define that pin number 8 is a digital output pin. So you can use a pin mode for this purpose, and then we will go to the voice loop and we will write logic for the 8 number pin. So I'm going to use a digital write. Then we want this 8 pin to be high initially, and we will provide the delay for 1 second. So this is in milliseconds, so it is a 1000 millisecond, that means a 1 second. So it will remain the high for 1 second, and then again digital write, we will make this pin low after 1 second, and again it will have a delay of 1 second. So this is our simple program to make the LED blink for 1 second. So to save this program, you can click on file and then click on save. I'm saving on desktop. So with the default name, if you want to change the name, you can, let's say we are saying the first, click on save. So here you can see that they have completed the saving, done saving. Now to upload this program into the Arduino board, you need to go to the tool and then select the port. So here you can see that we have a multiple ports, and I'm going to select this COM8 Arduino Uno. Sometimes it may not be written as Arduino Uno, so you can directly select the port which is available to you. This port is only available once you connect your Arduino board to the PC or the laptop. So just select that port. Another setting that you might do is whether which kind of board you are going to use. So we are using Arduino Uno, so I'm select the Arduino Uno over here, and the port is there, the board you have selected. So that's it. So now you can upload the program with the help of this upload button. So just click on upload, and here you can see that it is compiling right now. If you will have some error, it will be displayed over here. So now you can see that we have done the uploading successfully, and we will go back to our circuit and check that whether our LED is blinking at 1 second or not. So here you can see that once we have uploaded our code, now LED is blinking at every 1 second. It will be turned on for the 1 second, and it will be again turn off for the 1 second. So this is how you can program the Arduino board. See you next time with some more stuff and some more programming as well as some more interfacing. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it now. Thank you.